In the peaceful countryside of Somerset, there lived a kind and wise farmer named George. He owned a small farm that he cared for with great love and hard work. Though he wasn't very big or rich, George was content with his quiet life, his loyal horse Alfie, and the beautiful green fields around him. One fine spring morning, while ploughing the fields with Alfie, George's plough suddenly struck something hard. Curious, he stopped to check and found a huge stone buried deep in the ground. George and Alfie tried many times to move it, but it didn't budge. Instead of getting angry or upset, George smiled and said, "Well, Alfie, if we can't move it, let's work around it." He decided to leave the stone where it was and used it to divide the fields into small planting areas, different planting areas. It became a central point for planting the crops. As seasons passed, George noticed the stone gave shade during hot afternoons. He and his worker would rest beside it, sharing stories and laughter. Children from the village would stop by to play around the stone, and travelers would sit beside it to enjoy the peace of the countryside. When the harvest season came, George had an idea. During the village harvest festival, he decorated the stone with flowers and ribbons. Musicians played songs beside it, and storytellers stood on it like a stage to tell their tales. The once annoying stone became the heart of the farm, a place full of fun and friendship. One day, a student from Bristol University came to study farming methods. She was surprised to see how George had turned a big problem into something so useful and joyful. George shared his secret with a smile. Sometimes the things we can't change become the things that help us grow. The student wrote a paper about George's clever thinking and won an award. Soon, people from nearby towns and cities came to see the famous stone and learn from the wise farmer. As George grew older, he decided to turn his farm into a small school for young farmers. He taught them how to care for the land, solve problems with calm minds, and respect nature. The stone remained at the center of it all, quietly reminding everyone of George's wisdom. When George passed away, the villagers placed a plaque on the stone that read, "In every obstacle, there's an opportunity. In every stone, there's a story."